job. Oh, did you drop it? Oh, get it, Chloe. Look at all the treats Anya's getting though while you're hoovering that up. Oh, and here she comes. Let's walk past the crazy dogs. Good. Okay, Anya, sorry. Bye, Chloe. Let's go. Come on. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Yeah, good. Good. Anya, sit. Sit. Stay. Good. Chloe. Let's go. Anya, let's go. Yeah. So if we go really slow. Chloe. What if we go really fast now? Oh.
You just got doodled.
I got doodled. Okay, what if we go really slow? Chloe?